Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published 2 days ago, on July 2nd, 2026, reveals how to stop artificial intelligence agents from getting overwhelmed. This paper is titled AgenticSTS, a bounded memory testbed for long-horizon large language model agents. By using typed retrieval, which selects only relevant facts instead of copying entire transcripts, this setup achieved a 60% win rate. And for those interested in the implementation, the authors have shared their code on GitHub. Figure 1 provides a visual map of how a bounded, typed memory contract turns long-horizon decisions into an ablatable evaluation surface. On the top left, the diagram illustrates the standard problem of an ever-growing transcript memory, which dilutes attention and is difficult to analyze. Below that, the proposed bounded memory contract fresh starts each prompt using 5 distinct, typed retrieval layers, labeled L1 through L5, to feed the large language model. On the right, the figure highlights the Slay the Spire 2-game testbed and summarizes what this resource enables, including 298 trajectories that let researchers easily test different memory layers. Figure 2 details how a typed retrieval contract, which refers to pulling specific categories of stored facts rather than dumping a raw chat history, keeps prompts compact. On the left, Panel A illustrates how long-horizon tasks can consume up to 10 million tokens when transcripts grow unbounded. The middle diagram, Panel B, displays the 5-layer typed knowledge stack that selectively assembles these high-signal prompts. Finally, the performance chart in Panel C highlights that the scaffolded agent reaches an 84% win rate, representing a massive jump over existing benchmarks. Table 1 maps how this new design addresses critical gaps left by prior experience interfaces. A positioning map is a comparison chart that highlights how different technologies stack up against key features. While older prompt history and structured memory approaches struggle with layer ablation or combining skills, this new design, listed on the bottom row, achieves a unified setup, which the authors call a joint test. Figure 6 demonstrates that the bounded memory contract significantly outperforms transcript accumulating competitor agents in effectiveness, speed, and cost. Panel A shows that our full frozen agent secures 6 wins, while the competitor systems fail to win. Next, Panel B tracks speed in wall clock minutes, which measures the actual real-world time elapsed per floor. Finally, Panel C highlights how our contract drastically reduces cost, because it requires fewer fresh tokens. Ultimately, bounded typed memory layers prove that agents do not need massive transcripts to succeed. This framework makes long-horizon large language model decisions cheaper, cleaner, and much easier to audit. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thank you for listening.